Hi students, how are you all? Today's topic is ratio. Yeah, it's an important portion of mathematics. First of all, let us discuss what is called ratio. Ratio means the comparison. You are comparing between two quantities. Say number of boys, number of girls. So you are comparing the number of boys to number of girls in the format of a ratio. Fine, it's a simple form. Let me tell you an example on that. Say, as I told you, say number of boys is 60 and number of girls is 40. Fine. What is the number of boys? 60. Number of girls? 40. We'll find the ratio of number of boys to number of girls. Fine. So I have written number of boys, then number of girls. Fine. And I have to give a special symbol here. This is called is to. What this is called? This is called is to. So 60 is to 40. We'll say like this. 60 is to 40. So equal to, we can write this way, 60 by 40. Okay, 0 0 cancelled, by 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja. Now 3 by 2, or we can write 3 is to 2. So what is the number of boys to number of girls? What is the ratio of that? 3 is to 2. So it's a much easier format than this. Fine. So what is the number of boys? 60. Number of girls? 40. So what is the ratio between them? The ratio is 3 is to 2. Understood ratio? But before calculating ratio, you have to keep one thing in mind, that their units must be same. Units must be same means, let us discuss with an example. Say, I am asking you to find the ratio of, say, 50 centimeter to 1 meter. Okay, so we want to find the ratio of 50 centimeter is to 1 meter. Understood? 50 centimeter to 1 meter. But before finding the ratio, we will see whether their units are equal. The first unit is centimeter, second unit is meter. So they are not same. So before finding the ratio, we have to bring them in the same unit. So meter has to be changed into centimeter. So 50 centimeter is to 1 meter. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Understood? Now both are in the same unit, centimeter. Now usually you can find the ratio. So we can write 50 centimeter by 100 centimeter. First of all, centimeter cancelled, equal to 0 0 cancelled, by 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 is to 2. So it's a simple form. So just we are comparing two quantities, like 50 centimeter and 1 meter. We are just comparing them. So this comparison is ratio. Okay. So 1 is to 2 is the ratio of 50 centimeter to 1 meter. And one more thing which I told you, that the units of both the terms has to be same. Centimeter, meter. Centimeter, it has to be in centimeter, so that we can cancel centimeter. Understood? Now let us solve this problem. What is the problem? The ratio of father's age to the age of son is 3:1. You understood? The father's age is to son's age is 3:1. So how to write that? The age of father and the age of son, the ratio is 3:1. Fine. In such type of cases, we can write that let the age of father be 3x. Understood? Since the ratio is 3:1, so I am considering the age of father be 3x. And what is the age of son? 1x. Because this is 1. So the age of son be x years. Understood? So just we are considering the age of father is 3x and age of son is x years. Fine. Now let us see what is the next part of the question. If the sum of their ages, what is the age of father? 3x. What is the age of son? X. So 3x plus x equal to, what is the sum of their ages? 60 years. Equal to 60. Understood? Sum of their ages is 60 years. Now 3x plus x, 4x equal to 60. So x equal to 60 by 4. Okay, this 4 is going down. 4, 15 jar. So x equal to 15. But one more thing, an important thing, here every line you have to give this imply sign. Otherwise your marks will be cancelled. So x equal to 15. So what is the age of father? Age of father. Father is 3x. So we'll write 3 into x. X is 15. 15. 45 years. What is the age of son? Son is x. X is 15. So it's 15 years. Understood? Let us move to our next question. Next question. The ratio of the monthly income to expenditure. Income is to expenditure. Understood? So what is the income? I, expenditure E. So what is their ratio? Income to expenditure. The ratio is 6:5. So 6:5. As I told you in the previous sum, let income be 6x. Correct? Like the previous sum. 6x. And expenditure equal to 5x. Understood? Now let's see what is given in the question. The expenditure is 12,000. Expenditure, only the expenditure is 12,000. What is the expenditure? 5x. And what is the expenditure given in the question? 12,000. That means my 5x equal to 12,000. Understood? So x equal to 2400. So x equal to 2400. And one more thing, as I told you in the previous sum, don't forget the imply sign. Yes, here you have to give the imply sign. So x equal to 2400. Now if I ask you what is the monthly income? Monthly income equal to, income is 6x. So 6x. What is x? X is 2400. 2400. So just multiply it. 14,400 rupees is the monthly income. Understood? Read the next question displaying on your screen. The angles of a triangle are in ratio 3:4:5. Let us draw a triangle first. This is the triangle. Fine. How many angles are there in a triangle? 4, 5? No. 3 angles are there. These are 3 angles. Okay. And the ratio of all these angles are given 3:4:5. 3:4:5. That means my first angle is 3x, second angle 4x, this angle 5x. Understood? Like the previous sum. The ratio is given 6:5, so we consider 6x and 5x. Same way here, the triangles angles are given 3:4:5. That's why I am considering 3x, 4x and 5x. Understood? Now, we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is, yes, 180 degree. We know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So let us use it here. So sum of all the angles, that means 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 5x, 12x equal to 180 degree. But before that, imply sign. So x equal to 180 by 12. X equal to, by 12 you divide 180. What will you get? 15. You divide it, you will see we are getting 15. So x equal to 15. Understood? Now what is the first angle? Let us find all the angles one by one. So what is the first angle? First angle equal to 3x. That means 3 into, what is x? 15 degree, 45 degree. What is the second angle? 4x. 4 into x, 15. That is 60 degree. Understood? What is the third angle? Third angle 5x. 5 into x. What is x? X is 15 degree. So 15. That is 75. So I got all the angles. What is the first angle? 45. What is the second angle? 60 degree. What is the third angle? 75 degree. So we got all the angles of this triangle. Let's move to our next question. See the next question displaying on your screen, where you are adding milk to water. You are taking milk and you are taking water and you are mixing them. Understood? Now the ratio of milk and water is given 4:1. Let us write it. Milk is to water is 4:1. So let us consider the amount of milk is, let milk be 4x, because this is 4, so that's why 4x. And what is water? 1x. Water equal to 1x. 1 is not required to write. We don't write 1 actually. We just write x, or you can write 1x also, or just you can write x. No problem. I'm writing 1x. Okay, so that you can understand it in better way. Let's see. Now it's given that in a mixture of 35 liter, total 35 liter is there. Understood? So when you are adding milk and you are adding water, the total mixture you are getting 35 liter. That means my milk plus water, my 4x plus 1x equal to 35. So 5x equal to 35. X equal to 35 by 5 equal to 7. Understood? But as I told you, don't forget to give the imply sign. So I'm giving the imply sign. Fine. So x equal to 7. So what is the amount of milk? So milk equal to 4x. Milk is 4x. So 4 into x is 7. That is 28 liter milk is there. And water equal to 1x. 1 into x, 7. So 7 liter. So we got milk and water. Fine. But the question is not finished yet. See the next part of the question. Now, if 7 liter of water is added to the mixture, 7 liter of water you are adding, okay? The mixture is of 35 liter. Fine. Try to understand the question. The mixture was of 35 liter, and out of the 35 liter, 28 liter is milk and 7 liter is water. Again you are adding water. Yeah, again 7 liter water you are adding. So finally, if I ask you, if I ask you, how much milk is there? Are you adding any milk? No, we are not adding milk. Just we are adding water. Read the question. Are you adding milk? No, we are not adding milk. So what is the amount of milk? 28 liter only. So milk equal to 28 liter. Now water, 7 liter of water you are adding. How much water was there? The amount of water was 7 liter. Understood? In the previous case, amount of water was 7 liter. Now again 7 liter of water you are adding. So what is the total amount of water now? 7 plus another 7. That is 14 liter. So water is 14 liter. Understood? Water we are not adding. That's why 28. But milk we are not adding. We are not adding milk. So it was 28 liter. It's now 28 liter. But we are adding water. How much water was there? 7 liter. Again we are adding 7 liter water. So 7 liter, 14 liter. Now we have to find the ratio of them. See the question. If 7 liter of water is added to the mixture, find the ratio of milk and water. So we are finding milk and water. Okay. You know how to find the ratio. 28 liter by 14 liter. Liter cancelled. By 14 you can divide. 14 1 ja, 14 2 ja. So we are getting 2 by 1. So what is the new ratio? 2:1. Understood? So the previous ratio was 4:1. But after adding another 7 liter of water, what ratio you are getting? 2:1. Understood? See the next question. The ratio of right answer to the total number of question is 11:14. You understood it? The total number of question, if total number of question is 14, then in 11 questions you have given the right answer. Understood? I repeat, if total number of question are 14, then you are giving right answer in just 11 question. Okay, so this is the ratio given. Ratio is right answer to total question. That means right answer to total number of question is 11:14. So I can write the number of right answer equal to 11x. Let us consider it. So right answer equal to 11x. And what is the total question? Total equal to 14x. Now let me ask you a question. Say I am asking you 5 questions. Fine. How many questions I asked you? 5. Now out of that 5 questions, in 3 questions you have given me the correct answer. Then how many questions answers are wrong? Yes, 2 questions answers are wrong, because there were 5 questions. Out of 5 questions, 3 questions you have given correct answer. So these 2 questions you are giving wrong answer. That means if 14x is the total number of question and 11x is the right answer, then in how many questions you are giving me wrong answer? Yes, 14x minus 11x. So wrong answers are equal to 14x minus 11x, that is 3x. So in 3x questions you have given wrong answer. Understood? But according to this question, 15 wrong answers are there. Just read the question. 15 wrong answers are there. But according to us, means according to this, how many wrong answers are there? Wrong answer 3x. Okay. But what is the total number of wrong answer? 15. So I can write 3x is the wrong answer here. But according to the question, wrong answer is 15. So 3x equal to 15. Fine. This 3x wrong answer according to us. And this 15 is the wrong answer. It's given in the question. So that's why I am 3x equal to 15. I'm writing this. Understood? Now x equal to 15 by 3. That is 5. Okay. So now if I ask you how many, means what is the total number of questions were there in the exam? Total number of question is 14x. So what is the total number of question? Total equal to 14x. X is 5. That is 70. What is the number of right answers? Right equal to 11x. So right answer 11x. X is 5. That is 55. Understood? So total 70 questions were there. Total number of questions were 70 and total number of right answer 55. What is the number of wrong answer? That we don't have to find because that is already given in the question. What is the number of wrong answers? 15. Understood? Let's move to our next question. Read the next question displaying on your screen. Two numbers are in ratio 8:13. Fine. You are taking two numbers. First number, second number. And their ratio is 8:13. Let us write it. First number is to second number. Their ratio is 8:13. Fine. So what will we write? Yes. First number be 8x. Second number be 13x. Let first number equal to 8x. Second number be 13x. Understood? Now read the question. If 14 is added to each number, means you are adding 14 to the first number and again you are adding 14 to the second number. Let's see. What is the first number? 8x. So 8x plus 14. Fine. I am adding 14 to the first number. Again I am adding 14 to the second number. That is 13x plus 14. Okay. If you are adding 14 to them, what is the ratio becomes? The ratio becomes their ratio. This is the first number. This is the second number. And their ratio becomes 2:3. So I can write 2:3. Any doubt? This is the first number after adding 14. This is the second number after adding 14. And their ratio becomes 2:3. It's given in the question. Understood? Now, we know that when there is a ratio is 2, then I can write like this by 13x plus 14 equal to 2 by 3. That 2:3 I am writing 2 by 3. Okay. So, cross multiplication. By this I am multiplying this. By this I will multiply this. Okay. But don't draw these arrow signs in the exam. Understood? Don't give this arrow sign in the exam paper. Just I am drawing this arrow sign just to make you understand. Okay. Now, so by 3 I am multiplying all this by 3. 24x plus 42 equal to. Now by 2 I am multiplying this. Okay, cross. By 2 you multiply all this. 2 into 13x, 26x plus 2 into 14, 28. Okay, now take all the x this side, and where x is not there, that side. Understood? So I can write 24x, this 26x will come this side, minus 26x equal to, this 42 will go that side, 28 minus 42. Understood? Now 24x minus 26x is minus 2x. Yes, because 26 is bigger and before 26 minus sign is there. So 24x minus 26x is minus 2x. I don't have space here, so I am writing it here. So 24x minus 26x is minus 2x equal to 28 minus 42. It's minus 14. Okay, so x equal to minus 14 by minus 2. This minus 2 will come down. 14 by 2, 7. Okay, so I got x equal to 7. So what is my first number? First number is 8x. That means I am writing it here. So what is my first number? First number is 8x. That is 8 into x. What is x? X is 7. That is 56. Now the second number. What is the second number? Second number is 13x. Second number 13x. X is 8. 104. So 104 is my second number and first number is, one mistake I have done. Yes, the mistake is this. Second number. Second number is 13x. 13 into x. What is x? X is 7. But before I considered 8 by mistake. X is 7. So 13 into 7. That is 91. So 91 is my second number and 56 is my first number. Understood? So I hope you got a very clear concept about ratio. So ratio means the comparing between two quantities, and we have saw lot of sums based on ratio. I hope you understood. Thank you.